Flights along the southeast have been canceled due to Hurricane Dorian, and local airports in eastern North Carolina are determining their flight plan now. Staff at PGV in Greenville say they have been in constant contact with American Airlines.
If you're impacted, you will have the option to get your flight waived and rescheduled. If you purchase your ticket by August 31st and are scheduled to travel through September 7th, you could be eligible for a flight change at no cost.
It is important, though, that they get a hold of American to do that. And if the course of the hurricane does change and it's no longer a threat, American will at that time lift those waivers.
And you can change your flight for free as long as you do not change your origin or destination city. You also have until September 15th to travel.